Hi everyone, in front of me I have this Xiaomi 12 smartphone, and in this video I would like to show you the top 3 apps that you can possibly get on this device. So let's go ahead and start. The first app that I would like to discuss with you today is called Notify Buddy, and it basically just allows you to set up the custom LED notifications for your phone. So let's go ahead and open up this app. Grant some permission it needs in order to function. Wait for the OK button to become active. And do the same with the second overlay permission. Alright, so let's get back to the app itself. Here on the first tab, on the user tab, you can choose which apps do you want to enable the LED notifications for. On the second tab, you have some additional things that you can also enable notifications for, but at this tab there is the location of everything but the apps, so commands or some special system features, for example. Here you'll see the list of the apps that have the LED notifications enabled. So basically this tab allows you to manage them. Let me show you real quick. I'll just enable the LED notifications for Amazon Shopping and Calculator, for example. And here you'll see that they will go ahead and appear on this active tab. And the most important tab is the settings tab, which allows you to configure and customize the LED settings. There are all kinds of settings that you can also configure and change. And after that, you'll be able to, by clicking on this test button, you'll be able to have some preview of what your LED notifications will look like. As you can see on the top right corner of your screen, this little teal blinking LED notification appears. Let's just go ahead and get back. And also there is a possibility to configure the LED notifications for each separate app just by looking for it either at the first tab or on the active tab and click on this white arrow. And here you can either enable or disable LED, pick the color, or if you will be into buying the premium version of this app, you'll be also able to buy to change and alter the LED notification shape. So that was it for the first app. We're moving on to the second one, which is called PixArt. This app allows you to retouch your photos, make some collages, or just basically edit the photos you have in your gallery. This app also has the premium version, but you can absolutely use it just with the free version of the app. So once you enter this app, just tap on this plus button, which we're on the at the middle of all the icons that you can go to. Here, choose the photo that you want to work with. I'll just go with this one. Close the ad, and here you have all kinds of functions which you can play with. For example, you can use the tools like crop, clone, remove, change the perspective, tilt the photo, and all other kinds of functions that you can use. It's pretty rich for this as it comes for the function. Or stretch, for example, I'll just choose this option and we'll stretch the photo, make it look just like that. And you can also, as you can see, for example, you can choose the stretch mode. You can also access the effects, apply some filters, for example, and each filter can be absolutely modified by clicking on it once again after the filter is chosen. And you can alter all kinds of settings here. Just go ahead and play with it yourself. So there is also the retouch function, as you can see, which has a lot of different features that you can possibly use for your photos. Or you can just simply add some sticker, for example this one, and place it anywhere at the photo. And after that, just click on this green arrow on the white background. Wait for the ad to be shown. Close it. And here you can either upload it to PixArt or save it to your gallery. For example, save it to the gallery of your device, or save it to the gallery, to the private gallery you have in PicsArt. So that was it for the PicsArt application. We're moving on to the next and last one for this video, which is called caffeine. So in prior of opening this app, let me show you one thing. So once you go to the settings of this phone, always on display and lock screen, you can see that at the sleep section, the maximum value that you can choose is 10 minutes. But with a little help of caffeine app, you will be able to set the screen timeout value to infinite. So let's go ahead and open this app. It's very simple app, not many settings that you can alter. But the main setting that we need is this one, which is called timeouts. And here you can see that you can either choose the increased value of 30 minutes or 1 hour, or just go ahead and choose the infinite, which means that once the caffeine app is active, once the caffeine app is running, your screen will not turn off automatically at all. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.